It's bedtime for Bloozey. But wait, what's that squiggly thing on the bed? This blanket looks kind of hungry. Every time Bloozey starts snoring. Snore. Gulp. The blanket slurps the snore right up. Hey, did my blanket just eat my snore? But oh no, the blanket is too full of snores, and it starts burping out wild dreams. Burp. A flying spaghetti monster floats by. Giant giggling socks dance around. A kangaroo bounces on the ceiling. This is the strangest dream ever. Bloozey tickles the blanket to calm it down. The dreams gently float back into the blanket. The room becomes quiet and cozy again. Okay, magical blanket. No more snacky snores tonight. And if you hear a snore disappear tonight, maybe you've got a snore-eating blanket too. If you like cartoon videos, then don't forget to subscribe 1, 2, 3, ABC Kids Fun YouTube channel.